watching BMNM now was Adom TV Badwam Jumadi so yada apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwa say nim kranshansem de do so ne Badwam kase ensam no ne obete wo mu ebini adehia ya wo mo ete wojadam mpotamo ho sanke be ye brano no mpanifo ntitin show ni mu na tumi aboa wo no mo ye de ho nsam no so ebeba Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama ene nei wode to nyuma hura no mu nyina nso anim eni de mu a cedi no aya kono de $2 no ho de a won so tete won ne maso na Ghana enyamfaso no ne nsem na no pay me de bros Adom TV Badwam kase faseda mama Joy Trish won tadi ba ko ene shemi midin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie adehia ya wo mo eti weja tetegu adekope ene ne mpotamu estrempenifo senke be ye brano weja dam no wontetimu enfama won netumi aboa mansuo no anya ba bi akọ kase no edi eche
jakromi anu musunum ye insunemu ayeden emu eti nti e ka mi anke be sire bon yes be sire aban no mfa katapra me de mbeti insunum aye obeti insunum aye mu bedo ye bie nsuna e benya kwa ayeden akọ enti minya ye hwewa anu nti e pa acho ye pa omanga na acho na to sum ye nubiem me da 4 years ye bie nsunu nsu ni ba nyame nkwa ka mi kita baby boy 4 years ko wi mi nimpa wo me de mattress ni da form na me ba ne be sora no mu force ma sole mi sole ya edam ne nsu na ye ma no nkwa na de nsu ntie po bi a cho amunhwe na mu ye bibi ma ye
ya bobo ya nyama no esi soro ya bobo share so bobo ya nyama na no esi so se ne se ba e bi anyama bi ensei ne yakope be bi adade a na yeko
iti de na mo kache aban na fa nsu na ye bai amono
asa aban bom se ommo ayen e se ye bre e owoja ommo ayen pa enne ya de se de man so ommo ayen ne sa anyama nya esu ntwa man enne hia wo no ho
Mampani John Dramani Mahama esinkete sa aban no bekoso abo no homoden na Ghana ye sika no etimi aya akono eno santi wode tu nyumawura no munyina nso animu baby akwadure no so ehu behia se won so de wo betumi aya tetete so netumi aboa magana adehye ye nkom adwo mo 9th Ghana CEO Summit and Awards Expo and Mampani John Dramani Mahama den semi etuja.
Let me take the opportunity to commend those of you who have responded to the cedi's appreciation by reducing prices of your products and services and thereby passing some of the relief from the hardship to Ghanaians. And so, Oka and all of you, thank you very much. GPR to you, thank you very much. And so, for those of you who have not responded yet, please pass on some of the cedi appreciation to Ghanaians. The time has come for us to lift the gloom, to restore confidence, and to build again. And as I said in my inauguration, Ghana is open for business again. Let this summit mark the beginning of a new compact between the public and private sectors, a compact of mutual accountability, shared risks, and shared rewards.
No kasa ewo Ghana CEO Summit and Awards Expo ye to so enkono dwumadie no ase na ne kasa yemu no osan ekasa fa kwan ya onom ebe digitalize road toll system no ehu.
The opportunities are endless. We said in the budget that we're going to reintroduce road tolls, and so they've been talking about what the modality should be and all that. But the good thing today is every car is linked to the owner's Ghana card. And so we don't need to have the old toll gates and those cards that you stand and open and all that. We'll just go straight digitalized. If it's one cedi, if you cross the East Legon Bridge, governor and finance minister will all be happy. We'll just take a picture of your car and then it will take the bill to your mobile money or your bank account and just pay one cedi, only one cedi. We'll continue the discipline in government expenditure and borrowing and work to achieve all targets under the extended credit fund with a program with the IMF.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe na Ghana Real Estate Developers Association na ye greda na ene won samu tudwa kire se de adanse ho niema ne bo den ewo mu se cedi no wo de $2 no ho aye pa nanso niema no bo no still ano den on the one sem atuda
nyina na ye supportable when am increase say ni na say nema ba form na say mo ntiso na Ghanaians benefit enye me ameti as a developer na maker Ghanaians na mo padan atoto no aden na entity nema no so na face reality na ye nyina benefit na aba na ye mpanimfo aban ya aba so ode nhyehyeye international global market situations whatever it is to Ghana's advantage but why say ye nuanom mo ye importation no I think it's a greediness kakrabi yabem they have to face reality here na be my argument and I am order me niam say me order me niam last year afi na aba me was stock I don't think those arguments hold.
What they are to aban any kebimufu nyina animu se wonom ensori nyina no wonhwe se wonom a wotonton adan sie ho niama no ebetete wonom bo so se de ebe ya ebeboa temamufu nyina
ni aban ba ya waye na je say I see at radio so na ye kan dollar cedi exchange rate that say na so ya ye wo man mu no ye botomu nkyere ye kodwa so a enkyere ya ye sisi dan enkyere nti ebeba ne say na benefit no abadan I say your boy home. What you say? We are operating a free market economy. Inti buying to me in far in share. Send a minimum in share. But to me the we say think outside the box. Omonfa in shishe bimbra. Na ma enye compelling krana. Emma ye nuanom na omo ye business no. Omonya sa atima no. No mo omo oman no.
Asantemantam MPP amanyoko dwamtena ne Bernard Ntwibu asiakon adodo nanim no chama wontumi no eno okokopie mu wo police ID ama yatoto na no ensem ewi akire ya mane bill se wonko na afensem no onto so
bo me say me na me galamse na me produce me lances a lease e de kire wo se menye illegal mine na se menye galamse enti me de me lances no e de kire wo ama omu de to so bio omu sa ka se me ye adwuma e wo forest and so me catch up say enye me konko ye adwuma e wo forest ye aye so omu evidence omu betimi adi asrem na emrebi may apply lances for her and so forestry commission and lands commission and mines commission omo yese omo de honam forestry commission for so omo nhwa ho into omo and a custodian omo ye responsible omo hwe eho enko ho da ti so obi ye adwuma wo ho ne ade a enye medi enye bibia enum ana ebe omo ama bill two sureties ana CCR yama bill CCR bill
yama bill no how much is the bill
again nyina na betina aka na CCR
Baminye no sona Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no peye de sie da semre ne adaje a wode maye ye kwa abade da bon krata no ene online de ato so medin afia amankwa tamaklo